So we are discussing compound microscope, okay? And in compound microscope, you already know that in the previous lecture, you can go through the previous lecture. There you will get key compound microscope magnifies the image for two times. One by objective lens, next one is by eye lens. Done. Acha, what is the magnifying power that we got in the previous class? That the magnifying power for a compound microscope is MO into ME. MO into ME. Okay. Now what is MO? MO means magnification of the eyepiece. Objective, and ME is the magnification of the eyepiece. Eyepiece is nothing but a simple microscope, and from simple microscope you know two condition. One for relaxed. What is the magnifying power for relaxed? The magnifying power is D by F, and for stressed the magnifying power is what? 1 plus D by F. That is, you already know from which one? From the simple microscope. From the simple microscope, this one you already know. So now we will go for the calculation of M naught, that is calculation of the magnification produced by objective. Okay. So first do it one by one. Calculation of MO. Okay, MO is nothing but magnification produced by the objective lens. So what will be the magnification produced by the objective lens? So MO, what is the formula of lens magnification? वो lens का magnification का formula क्या था? So for lens the formula is M equal to H dash by H, मतलब height of the image by height of the object divided by plus V divided by U. I think this formula also you have remembered. That is, for lens the magnification is this much. Now for the objective lens, what is the image? So you can write the image is A dash B dash, and what is the object? The object is AB. So A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to what? What is the V? V will be here equal to V naught. And what is the U? U will be here equal to U naught. So it will be V naught divided by U naught. What is A dash B dash? A dash B dash is equal to minus of H dash. What is the height of the image? Minus of H dash below the principal axis. And what will be the value of AB? AB is equal to H. This is your equal to V naught divided by U naught. Okay. So from here magnification MO is equal to H dash by H is equal to minus of V naught divided by U naught. Why magnification is negative? Because magnification is negative in the sense that you are getting a real image. That is the reason. Now we will go for calculation of magnification produced by the eyepiece. Okay, and eyepiece is nothing but a simple microscope. So calculation of ME. Okay, so here we will be having two conditions. Number one, when the magnification is minimum. When it is minimum, when the image is formed at infinity. So calculation of ME, that is when magnifying power produced by eye lens, when magnifying power produced by eye lens is minimum. So power minimum कब होता है? When ciliary muscles are in relaxed condition. So here we will write this one as relaxed condition. Okay, relaxed condition. ठीक है. तो relaxed condition के लिए for simple microscope, what is the formula of magnifying power? That is magnifying power equal to D by F. So we will write here this one, that ME will be or equal to D divided by F, matlab focal length of the eyepiece. So this is F suffix e. Okay. अच्छा, one more situation is there. Another situation क्या था कि when magnifying power produced by the eye lens is maximum, power is maximum when ciliary muscles are in stressed condition. Okay, power maximum मतलब focal length will be minimum. So this is stressed condition. So we'll write here कि when magnifying power produced by eye lens. Which lens? Eye lens. Okay, because eye lens is a simple microscope. When by eye lens is maximum, so power becomes maximum, that is for stressed condition. So for stressed, this one is for stressed condition. Okay, so for stressed condition, what is the formula of magnifying power? That is, you already got for simple microscope is this one, 1 plus d by f. So we'll write here 1 plus d divided by fe. So equation 1. So this one is equation number 1. So what we can say, that is magnifying power is minimum, that is mp is equal to, जब minimum होगा तब क्या होगा, m naught into me. What is m naught? M naught is, you write the formula, m naught into me. What is m naught? M naught you got this one as minus of v naught by u o. What is me? Me is equal to d by fe. So this is the formula for minimum magnifying power, that is minus v naught by u naught into d divided by fe. Done? This is d, So this is magnifying power when it is minimum. Minimum matlab you already know relaxed condition. So magnifying power is maximum. Magnifying power is maximum. तब क्या होगा, that is mp max minus of v naught by u naught. What is for maximum magnification? What is the magnification produced by eyepiece? That is 1 plus d divided by fe. 1 plus d divided by fe. So these are the two formula or two equation, that is for the magnification produced by compound microscope. So when the magnification is minimum, then it will be minus of v naught by u naught into d by fe, and when magnification is maximum, it will be minus v naught by u naught 1 plus d by fe. Okay, very simple. Now you have got this thing, that length of the microscope. What is L? L is length of the microscope. So you can write here that L is equal to length of the microscope. Okay, length of the microscope, and length of the microscope is nothing but, from the diagram it is clear that v naught plus ue. Okay, this is v naught, L equal to v naught plus ue. V naught plus ue. Okay, v naught plus ue. Now there is an equation that you have to remember, that is, if the object is very small, if the object is very small, this equation you have to remember. If the object is very small, if the object is very small, then magnifying power is given by minus L by F naught. That is, instead of V naught, you have to write L, that is the length of the microscope, divided by F naught. Means instead of U naught, it will be or equal to F naught within bracket 1 plus D by Fe. So remember this formula only when the object is very small. Acha, we have done one for when magnifying power is minimum. So magnifying power is minimum matlab relaxed condition. So the image will form at infinity. If you want to form the final image at infinity, step by step, if you here the final image is not formed at infinity, but if you want to form this final image at infinity, then this object, this is the object for this lens, na? So this object must be at the focus of this lens, because you already know that if the object is at focus, then the final image will be formed at infinity. Okay, I will draw that diagram also after this, but here the image is formed at a distance of PE, and you can say PE is equal to D. But if you, that is for when magnifying power is maximum, but if you want to make the final image at infinity, that means when the magnifying power is minimum, then what will be the diagram? Let us draw it, and you have got three equations. One is this one for minimum, relaxed condition for stress condition, and that one is if the object size is very small. Okay, now let us draw the ray diagram for compound microscope when the final image is formed at infinity or when the magnifying power is minimum. Okay, so let us draw it, क्योंकि कभी कभी ray diagrams भी एग्जाम में आते हैं. ठीक है, so what is our point that we will discuss? We have already discussed, क्योंकि derivation is already done, the equation, that is the ray diagram. So the question is, ऐसे आता है एग्जाम पे कि draw the ray diagram of a compound microscope. Draw the ray diagram of a compound microscope when the final image is formed at infinity. When the final image is formed at infinity, और कभी कभी ऐसा भी आता है और when the magnifying power is minimum, or when magnifying power MP is minimum. Okay, the solution, देखो, first one will be your what? First one will be your objective lens having less radius of curvature. So you draw this one. Okay, the first one is the same. This is the common axis or principal axis. This one is FO, focal length of the objective lens. This is the object A, B, height is H. This lens is objective lens. Objective lens matlab the lens nearer to which the object is placed. From here a light ray will travel parallel to the principal axis. This one I will draw it, and another one, that is the light ray will travel to the optical center, does not deviate. So this one, they are making the final image, suppose say this position. This is the F naught in the right hand side. This is this one is this one. Okay, this is where the image is formed. Okay, so this one will be B dash, this one will be A dash. Okay. Now if we draw here the eye lens is having greater curvature, that means greater focal length. Now if the focus of this lens, if the focus of this lens is this one, suppose this is B dash, this is the focus of eyepiece. देखो ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट था, ये ऑब्जेक्ट का एक इमेज कहाँ बन रहा है, यहाँ पे, एंड दिस इमेज इज ऑलरेडी मैग्निफाइड एंड दिस इमेज इज एट द फोकस ऑफ दिस लेंस. सो वेयर द फाइनल इमेज विल बी फॉर्म, इट विल फॉर्म एट infinity. So from here one light ray will travel like this and another one it will pass directly through the focus. Another one it will pass directly, sorry, this has passed through the optical center and another one it will pass through the focus. This is the FE, because this one is eyepiece, na? So from the diagram it is clear that these two light rays, they are parallel. So where the image will form? You simply extend this one and you extend this one also. So where the image will form? The image will finally form at infinity. Okay. This one is traveling like this. So this FE here will be equal to UE also. This one from infinity, P will be equal to what? E will be equal to infinity. This distance from here to here, this is equal to P naught. P naught matlab image distance of the image produced by the objective. This distance will also be equal to focal length of the eyepiece, because object is at focus. So U will be equal to FE. This distance, this is what? This is length of the microscope. It will be P naught plus UE, or you can also write P naught plus FE, because UE is equal to FE here. Is there anything that we have to represent that is left? No. So one more thing, that one is eye lens is here. And here you have placed the eye. Here we are from this position we are observing, okay? And where the final image is formed? The final image is formed at infinity. So this is the ray diagram of a compound microscope. This is the ray diagram of a compound microscope when the final image is formed at infinity, or when magnifying power is minimum. That is here, what is the magnifying power? For this one, the magnifying power will be minus P naught by U naught into D divided by UE thana. So instead of UE, I can write here FE. So minus of V naught by U naught into D by FE for this diagram. Okay. And if the object is very, very small, it will be minus of L by F naught, that is length of the microscope, 1 plus D by FE. And if the magnifying power is maximum, the formula is minus P naught by U naught within bracket 1 plus D by FE. Okay. So in your exam, you will get question that is the numericals from the compound microscope. Kabhi ye aisa this type of derivation will be there. Otherwise numericals will be there from the compound microscope. Okay. So let us solve a compound numerical from compound microscope. Okay. So we'll try to solve it. After this, our topic will be telescope. Okay. So compound microscope, let us solve a numerical. So first, let us write the question. Question: a compound microscope uses an objective lens, of focal length of focal length 4 centimeter and eyepiece and an eyepiece lens of focal length, obviously इसका focal length ज़्यादा होगा from the objective, of focal length 10 centimeter, full stop. An object is placed 6 centimeter from the objective lens. 6 centimeter from the objective lens. Okay? Calculate the magnifying power of the microscope. Full stop. Also calculate the length of the microscope. Also calculate the length of the microscope. Okay, so you are given with some data. The first try to write that what are the datas given. First you try to put what are the datas given, that a compound microscope uses an objective lens of focal length. So you have given with the first data that objective lens ka focal length kitna hai, 4 centimeter. So given FO, that is focal length of objective lens, is equal to 4 centimeter. This one is given. And an eyepiece of focal length. So what is the focal length of the eyepiece? That is your equal to 10 centimeter. So an eyepiece lens of focal length 10 centimeter. An object is placed 6 centimeter. So object distance UO is equal to minus of 6 centimeter is given. Focus is always positive for convex lens, that is why I am writing here plus. Okay, so first you have to calculate the magnifying power. So magnifying power is given by, the simple formula is MO into ME. MO is the magnification produced by the objective. So what is the magnification produced by the objective? The magnification produced by the objective, as you already know, this is minus of V0 by U0. UO is given, but what is VO? That is we do not know. So we have to calculate V0, VO, and how we will calculate? We will use this formula for lens. 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO. This is nothing but the lens formula. Okay, so we are interested to calculate VO, so it will be 1 by FO plus 1 by UO. Okay, so in the next step, 1 by VO is equal to 1 by FO is 4 plus, then it will be minus, U is 6. So 4 and 6 दोनों का LCM होगा 12. Then 12, 4, 3, and this is 2, so it will be 1 by 12. So 1 by VO is equal to 1 by 12. So VO will be 12 centimeter. Then magnification of the objective from this formula we can write minus 12 divided by 6. Okay, UO is 6, so it will be 6 2s are 12, so it will be minus of 2. So what is the magnification produced by the objective is equal to minus of, this is minus 2. You do one thing, it will be minus 6 na, so minus minus will be cancelled out, so it will be magnification is equal to your plus 2. Done. Now second one is we have to calculate magnification for eyepiece, and magnification for eyepiece there are two formula. One is when the image is formed at least distance, and another one is when the image is formed at infinity. So first we will do it for least distance of distinct vision. Okay, that is when magnifying power is maximum. So for least distance of distinct vision, for least distance of distinct vision, what is the magnification produced by the eyepiece? It is nothing but 1 plus D divided by FE. So 1 plus D is what? D is 25 centimeter least distance, and FE is equal to how much? 10. So it will be 1 plus 2.5, that is 3.5. Okay, and another one is for when image is at infinity. When image is at infinity, then magnification produced by eyepiece is D by FE. That is, it will be 25 by 10 is equal to 2.5. Okay. So for this condition, what will be the magnifying power? Magnifying power for this condition will be, you do one thing, इसको थोड़ा देर में करते हैं. So the magnifying power for this condition will be MO into ME, that is MO into ME. MO is 2 into 3.5, this is 7. Okay. Another scenario is, क्या था ये? When image is at infinity. When image is at infinity, then magnifying power, as I already told, that is D by FE. So 25 by 10 is equal to 2.5. Okay. Then you write this one as ME. So the magnifying power is MO into ME. That is 2 into 2.5 is equal to 5. Okay. So we have got the magnifying power for the microscope. One when the image is formed at least distance, another one when the image is at infinity. Also calculate length of the microscope. So length of the microscope, length of the microscope L is equal to V naught plus UE. Okay, L is equal to V naught plus UE. So what is V naught? V naught is equal to 12. Okay, you do one thing, V naught and UE is equal to what? FE. So when the image is formed at that one in infinity, what is UE? That is FE. So what is V naught? V naught is 12, FE is 10. Focal length of the eyepiece is equal to 10. So the length of the microscope is equal to 22 centimeter. So you have to solve this numerical in your exam step by step. Okay. First, you have to calculate the magnification of objective, then you have to calculate the magnification of eyepiece for two conditions. One for least distance of distinct vision and another one when image is at infinity. Okay? Therefore, the eyepiece you will get two magnification. One is maximum, another one is minimum. Then you put in the main formula, that is the magnifying power of the microscope, m0 into me. Here you have got 7 and for minimum you have got 5. It means the magnifying power of the microscope, it will vary in the range of 5 and 7. Okay? In the range of 5 and 7, the magnifying power of the microscope will be varying. And the length of the microscope is very, very simple. That is V0 plus UE. UE is nothing but FE. So 12 plus 10 equal to 22 centimeter. This is microscope. This type of numerical you will get in your exam. Okay, and we have provided some this type of question in our assignment also. So you go through the assignment. There you will get problems from simple microscope as well as from compound microscope and from telescope also. Telescope we will do it after some time. So try to solve the numericals, क्योंकि numericals यहाँ से आते हैं, ठीक है? So next class we will discuss about telescope. Okay.